Bangalore. My name is Gautam Verma. I am a Guinness record holder. Today I am happy. Really, I am happy that this house is Vijay Dalapati. Really, I am happy. My name is Gautam. I am a Guinness record holder. Which record? It's in 38 minutes in 51 coconuts. The peeled teeth enter the Guinness record. One more record. It's a pull to Maruti van here. One more record. Climb the coconut with his bicycle 40 feet. One more record. 80 kg rice bag with his teeth. Now only one our state and 1 or 2 awards winner, but now only really Dalapati Vijay is a very great person, grateful person. Now coming CM is Dalapati Vijay sir. Really I am happy. Really I am happy. Today is a Belli Kirita and Belli Chappal as gifted silver crown.
How much weight?
Sir, I want 1 kilo. 250 gram is there. Our cost 1,88,000. Our cost.